Radisha's unconscious. Be careful.
What? Put that thing down right now! I don't make deals with pirates! You haven't heard the last of me!
You two had better keep up, or I'll leave you behind.
Oh!
Why don't you two watch where you're going?
Sorry.
We're sorry. Now which way?
What? A fork? Boss, look! A sign!
Village of the Dolls?
Scary!
Oh, who's afraid of a doll?
But hey, boss, they isn't no ordinary dolls.
So what? What does that mean?
A curse. The doll is cursed. As the story goes, there's a powerful curse on this village. An evil spirit haunts its streets every night in the shape of a porcelain doll. The doll is forever in agony, always yelling, "Ooh," as it searches for more victims. Please, boss, let us leave!
Oh. Did Free Ranger and his posse come through here? Footprints. A rabbit, a chicken, and a monkey. Could it be the same rabbit, chicken, and monkey? Hey, I need to find something out. Come with me.
We're going through the village of the dolls.
We're so done for.
Oh yeah, it's a giant banana!
Tick-Tick! I asked you
My
to start a
banana.
fire! Why were you just staring into the flame?
Hey, Radisha! That was my woo!
Tick-Tick! Wake up!
Ooh.
We have no bananas, man. I think you're hallucinating because you're too hungry. Now we're gonna go out and look for some food, okay? Watch over the fire.
Ooh.
Hey. I can't reach it.
What? Oh man! Oh, the fire went out! No. Is someone there? You'd better come out. Spider monster! Run for your life! Get moved! Oh, what's going on?
Help me!
Oh, Buster!
Tick-Tick!
What did you do that for? I was calling for help, and all you do is throw rocks at my head? I thought we were partners. I tell you, Tick-Tick, sometimes you just don't think. Use your head for once, man. and you let the fire die.
Yeah, and then you ruined all of the food.
Come on, guys, I didn't mean to. Come on out. Come on. You scared? We know you're in there. You've been surrounded.
Hey, boss, isn't that a bit of an exaggeration? Yeah!
Quiet.
I think that's Arcane's voice.
Yes, great. What now?
Well, looks like we're surrounded.
I don't think so, Free Range. I'm calling his bluff.
Go search for them.
What? But the curse!
Enough. There's no curse. Go.
Yes, Arcane!
Hurry up.
Sorry. It's scary in here. Oh, man.
It's fresh smoke. They can't be far. You two split up and find them.
Huh? Are you mad? Hey, I mean, is that wise? Maybe we should stick together. It might be dangerous to go alone. Wouldn't you?
I said split up.
Yes, boss.
Yeah.
Why are there so many masks hanging on the wall? Hey, Free Range, are you in here?
Another guest to play with.
No! Hey! Let me go! Hey, somebody come help me out! Man!
Oh no! No! Someone! Hey! Help me, please! Somebody! Help!
Looks like I found my dinner.
Hey! Bear traps! Do it! Ow!
You look good. That's right. Hey! That's not good. Hey! Whoever's in here, you'd better come out. I'm not falling for your tricks. Stay back. No. Don't come any closer. Not another one. Don't you want to play with us? Leave me alone, please. Oh, it's a curse.
Play with me.
I'm a little busy here. Go on, kid.
Play with me.
I told you. This is no time for introductions.
Play with me.
Whoa. Her head.
Play with me.
Oh, another monster. Let's get out of here.
Coming back here again!
What a bunch of scaredy cats, Matt.
Hey, Free Range, the doll you made is really creepy.
A doll? I didn't make any doll, you guys. Rad, it was you, right?
What? I didn't make it.
No, wait. That means
Play with me. Play with me.
Bananas for sale.
a banana.
Get your darts, daggers, and ninja stars.
Hey, weapons!
Dude, we barely have any money as it is. Now we can't waste it. Huh? Let's go.